Hello student, myself Hemlata. Today I will teach you a very important topic of economics, that is central problem of an economy. Now I will tell you what are the central problems. Central problems are also called economic problem. This problem arise in the economy because our wants are unlimited, but the resources to satisfy these wants are limited. That is why this problem rises in the economy. Now I will tell you about the causes of central problems of an economy. There are three causes of central problem of an economy. Okay, the first is un- unlimited wants. Okay, our wants are unlimited. Whenever one want is satisfied today, the next we have another want, and the next day we have another want. Like today I have a want to buy a marker, tomorrow I have a want to buy a duster, and the next day I have a want to buy a book. Okay, so our wants are unlimited. Okay, the second is scarce resources, but our resources are scarce to satisfy these unlimited wants. It means demand for resources is greater than supply of resources. Okay, then the next is the third point is alternative uses. These resources are scarce, but they have a alternative uses also. Like we have a land. Land is a resources. It has alternative uses. Like the first use, we need land to make the house, and we also need land for the agriculture, and we also need land for the industries, and so on. So these are the reason for the central problems of an economy. Okay, now understand. Now I will teach you the central problem. Which central problems arises in the economy? To produce. What to produce? We have a variety of goods in the economy. Like we have consumer goods, and we also have some capital goods. Now we have to decide which type of goods we have to produce, like consumer goods and capital goods, and in which quantity we have to produce, how much we have to produce consumer goods, and how much we have to produce capital goods. Okay, the, the second central problem is how to produce. Okay, we have two techniques of production. The first is labor intensive technique. The second is capital intensive technique. Now I will tell you what is labor intensive technique and what is capital intensive technique. Okay. The labor intensive technique is that technique in which we use more labor, okay, and less capital. Okay, that is called labor intensive technique. The second is capital intensive technique. It is totally opposite of labor intensive technique, in which we use more capital and less labor. This is also a central problem of an economy, that we have to choose between the technology. Okay, the third is for whom to produce. Okay, we have a two section of our society: rich and poor. Now, for whom we should produce? We should produce for rich or we should produce for poor? It is also our central problem. So, student, these central problems of an economy is all about the causes of central problems of an economy and the three central problems of an economy. I hope you like this video. Thank you.